This thing is real though. It's very, very real. I will not be using this every time I want to straighten my hair. Hi everyone, how are we doing today? I have come to show you something. I just finished washing my hair and I just bought this. I know it's everywhere on YouTube. I just bought this, the Revlon Salon one-step hair dryer and styler. I just bought it and I finished washing my hair now. I was just trying it, just one try of it, and I got this. I said no, I have to come and show this. I have to show this. I'm going to straighten my hair with this. This is the Revlon one-step styler. So I'm going to use it to straighten my hair. I know the outcome of it. I know many people have tried it on YouTube. And the person that actually made me to go for this is Cheesy. I think Cheesy Duru, if I'm not mistaken. I think that's her name. So I watched her use this to straighten her hair, and I said no, I must give this a try. And here I am today. Just one. I just did one. And I got this. I said no. I have to record it. So this is my hair. My hair have. You see my hair in shrinkage. So shrinked. So I'm going to use this to straighten it and see what I will get from this. I hope it is going to be a good one, as I have seen it here. See the difference already. See? And see my hair. Let's go ahead and see the outcome of this on my hair. My hair is 4C. Very 4C, very 4C hair. With tiny coils. So let's go ahead and see what comes out of it. So, shall we? Yeah. This is the medium. See where it is? This is the medium, and if you put it high, see, the high is very noisy. It's hot. It's very noisy, but this one I did. I first of all started with a medium heat, but it was not doing anything. I have to comb it several times before it can even start to show that it's going to go straight. But immediately I change it to high heat, it doesn't take time to be like this. So I think I will continue with the high heat, but my hair is going to, I don't know if it's going to cause a problem, but I have to continue. I want to see how this would straighten my kind of hair, you know. So let's try it. I'm using Lotta body to spray on it before I put heat on it. I saw somebody on YouTube using this as a heat protectant, so that's why I'm giving it a try. There's one thing I found out. If I keep it like this and I'm combing like this, it doesn't. I have to run it several times before it can start to change or to straighten. So it's good, but if I put it like this, put my hair here, if I put the hair here and do like this, I believe the heat is coming from, if you check inside, you will see where the iron is inside. That is where the heat is coming from. So You put the hair, if I put my hair like this and do it like this instead of like this, here dries the hair faster and straighten the hair faster, and it will make you not to run your hair several times if you do it that way. So that is what I have just found out now, and that is how I'm going to continue to do it, putting the hair through this way instead of through this way. This way is more faster to dry the hair and straighten it, so that you don't have to run it several times before it will dry. So this is what I'm going to continue to do on the whole of my hair. It works like magic. It really works like magic. See my hair and see the shrinkage. It really works like magic. And I've been stressing myself somehow to straighten my hair, but it's like I will not be using this every time I want to straighten my hair. I normally straighten my hair with African thread, or twist it, or braid it and lose it when I want to do something on my hair. I just tried this today, but this will be something I do once in a while. I will not be using heat all the time on my hair, because my hair is that kind of hair that if you put heat on it, it's going to result in a way that you won't like. The outcome of it, if you continue to do it always, is not going to be a good one. So I'll be doing it once in a while, not always. So, but it's a good thing if you're in a hurry, you want to straighten your hair, or just you don't have the time to twist or braid and wait for it to dry and all that. So this is the fast and easy way of straightening your hair. Revlon, you did very well in this. This is a good product. It's something that you must have in your house if you have fussy hair, or if you have a hair that is not straight. This is very important to have in your house, because you never can tell when you will be in a hurry and you need to straighten your hair. I will go ahead to straighten my whole hair and I will go back to you. So with this, you'll be able to know the length of your hair, because the shrinkage is real. The shrinkage is real. See the length of my hair and see where my hair is. See? So with this, you will know the length of it. This thing is very good. It doesn't pull your hair. It doesn't pull your hair like other brushes. This is what I got from the combing for my whole hair. So I think it didn't shade much. Use my hand to comb my hair. So see, this is really good. It's very good. It's very good. I can't remember, even if I use thread to stretch my hair, I don't normally pull my hand like this. It hardly goes freely. So I give this, if I'm to give percentage, I think I will give this 90%. It's good. It's good. It's something that you need to have in your home. You need this to have in your home. Not that you'll be using it always, but you can use it once in a while, especially when you're in a hurry or when you want to trim your hair, like I'm going to trim my hair. So that's why I use this, and Secondly, I just got it. I want to test it on my hair and to know how it will look like, or to know the kind of result I will get from it. But it's a very good one. It's a very good one. It's a very good one. I think I will use it again, but not always, because I don't like using heat on my hair. But I think I can use it again. Yes, I will use it again once in a while. So that is my result from using this. So that is my result from using this to stretch my hair. So if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if this is my first video you're watching and you have not yet subscribed, please my friends, my lovely people, click on that subscribe button and be part of us. We really want to have you. We really want to have you around us, among us, within us, in us. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye bye, and always remain blessed. Cheers.